Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Snack English.
Hi, guys. We are really happy you are here with us today.
Today, we will not study English from books. Today, we will use English in real life.
Yes, no stress, no big grammar rules, just simple English and a friendly chat.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah.
Today's episode is special. It's about Valentine's Day.
But wait, don't worry, this is not only for couples.
Exactly. Today, we will talk about love for friends,
Love for family.
and even love for yourself.
Or your cat. You will learn easy sentences you can really use.
Simple phrases, real conversations.
And maybe a few smiles, too.
Small things, but very important.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just listen. Listen again. You will understand more every day.
This podcast helps you use English for your daily life.
So get comfortable, sit in your favorite chair, and let's start.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. Sarah, why is your face so long today?
My face is long? I am not a horse, Adam.
No, a long face means you look sad.
Oh, I see. Yes, Adam, I feel a little sad.
Is it because of the weather?
No, it is because of the date.
Tomorrow is February 14, Valentine's Day.
Yes, everyone is buying red roses.
Roses are beautiful. Do you hate flowers?
No, I love flowers, but I am single.
You are single. What about me?
You are my friend, Adam, but I don't have a romantic date.
Ah, you think Valentine's Day is only for couples.
Yes, it is for boyfriends and girlfriends, right?
That is a common idea, but it is not completely true.
Really? But movies show romance and love stories.
Movies show one type of love, but love has many forms.
Many forms? What do you mean?
There's love for friends, love for family, even love for yourself.
Can I say Happy Valentine's Day to my mom?
Yes, of course. You really should.
Wow, I never thought about that before.
Today, we will help you see Valentine's Day in a new way.
Will we learn simple Valentine's English for everyone?
Exactly. Very simple sentences you can use right away.
Good. I want to feel happy tomorrow, not sad.
And you will. Let's start with friends.
Like you and me?
Yes, friends are the family we choose.
I like that sentence. It sounds warm.
So what can you say to a friend?
Maybe you are a good friend.
That's good, but we can make it stronger.
Okay, give me a snack English tip.
Say this, I appreciate you.
I appreciate you. What does appreciate mean?
It means I see your value. It also means I am thankful for you.
Oh, that feels deeper than thank you.
Yes, it is simple English, but it has strong meaning.
Adam, I appreciate you.
Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate you, too.
I feel better already. What else can I say?
Try this. Thank you for being in my life.
Thank you for being in my life.
Yes, it shows that the person is important to you.
Can I say this to my running friends?
Of course. They run with you even in the cold. That is special.
True, they make my runs more fun.
Then tell them, you make my days better.
You make my days better. That is very sweet.
Good people make life easier and happier.
Like a soft breeze on a hot day.
Yes, exactly like that.
Adam, what about my cat, Milo?
Is Milo your Valentine?
Yes, he's my best friend at home.
Then you can tell Milo you love him too.
Milo, I appreciate your meows.
Or just give him a special treat.
I will. Now let's talk about family.
Family is very important on Valentine's Day.
I want to call my sister tomorrow.
That's a great idea. What will you say?
I want to tell her she is doing great.
Then say, I am proud of you.
I am proud of you. Does that mean I am happy because of her success?
Yes, it means you respect her hard work.
My sister is studying very hard these days.
Then she needs to hear that. It will give her motivation.
I am proud of you, sister. I love that.
And don't forget your parents.
My dad is a quiet man. He doesn't talk much.
That's okay. You don't need big words.
Just Happy Valentine's Day, Dad.
Yes, and you can add, you are the best.
Simple and clear.
Exactly. A1 English is enough for real love.
Why is simple English so powerful?
Because love is simple. It doesn't need complex grammar.
You sound very wise today.
Maybe it's the coffee.
Or maybe your red guitar gives you power.
Maybe. Now let's talk about the most important person.
Who? A secret girlfriend?
No, Sarah. Look in the mirror.
You mean me?
Yes, you. Self-love is very important.
Self-love? Is that normal?
Yes, it means you respect and care about yourself.
How can I practice self-love?
Do something kind for yourself. Buy yourself flowers. Eat chocolate cake.
I love chocolate cake.
Go to the cinema. Watch a movie you enjoy.
Even alone?
Yes, many people go alone and feel happy.
I am taking myself on a date.
Perfect sentence.
I am proud of myself. Is that correct?
Yes, you work hard. You learn English. You improve every week.
That is true. I should be kinder to myself.
Exactly.
Adam, can we learn some idioms now?
Sure. First idiom, to fall for someone.
That means to start loving someone, right?
Yes, to begin having romantic feelings.
Nice. What's next?
Heart of gold.
That means a very kind person.
Correct.
And one more.
Head over heels.
That means completely in love.
Yes, very, very in love.
I am head over heels for Milo.
He is a lucky cat. Now, let's practice a short conversation.
Okay, I'm calling a friend.
Yes, it is February 14.
Ring ring. Hello, Adam.
Hi, Sarah. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
Do you have any plans tonight?
No, I'm relaxing at home with Milo.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, but I called to say I appreciate you.
That is so kind of you.
Thank you for being in my life. You make my days better.
Wow, thank you, Sarah. I am proud of your English.
Thank you. You have a heart of gold.
Now I am blushing. That means my face is red.
Perfect color for Valentine's Day.
Exactly.
I feel confident now.
Good. Remember, love is not only romance.
It is for friends, family, and yourself.
Exactly.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Tell someone today, I appreciate you.
And tell yourself, I am proud of myself.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.